certified hood classic.
What's good? What's good? What's good?
This is a certified hood classic.
What's good? What's good? What's good? It's Monday Night Football. Eagles getting busy. Buccaneers is getting their ass kicked. Ravens lost yesterday. I don't care about none of these teams. It's fourth quarter. About to look at some stocks real quick. About to get into it. Get gunshots in the chat. What's good? What's good? What's good?
This is a certified hood classic. This is a certified hood classic.
This thing off like a Jamaican thing, boy. You know what I'm saying? Why? What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? All right, let me turn that down. All right, you know what I mean? We'll get into some stocks. It was good. Holler at me in the chat. Get my chat thing with you going or whatever. All right. I'll tell you what takes. What takes. What's good though? What's good?
This is a certified hood classic.
What's the word? Here we about to. Okay, we about to run through some stocks real quick. We got much else going on. What's good? Holler at me.
This is a certified hood This is a certified hood classic.
DJ or something, you know what I'm saying?
This is a certified hood classic.
Yeah, gunshots in the chat. Oh, look, let me share this out real fast. You know what I'm saying? Let me share this thing out real fast. It was going on. Share out this stream real fast. All right, give it a little laying out. It was going on. Woo. All right, listen.
This is a certified hood classic.
All right, bet. Let me move everything over here. All right, cool. So listen, we're gonna run through this little watch list. Probably can hear football in the background. It's all good. So listen, we got KC, Heinz Ketchup, right? Nice little hammer. Randy Jackson, you want to call it. So got this hammer here on the daily. You know what I mean? 34, 35 is your entry, right? For calls. If it pushes up to 34.57, that'll be your first target, and then that will also be your weekly entry at 34.57. We take that up to 34.74, right? As you can see, got an inside candle on a weekly. If we take out, got a 212, basically, if we do a 2-2 continuation, if we take out this weekly level. So, something to look out for. All right. I look back at AMD. All right. So, another hammer. Seems like things want to reverse, right? Right off this broad information, right? Got hammer. Mostly time frame continuity besides the month and a quarter. Still buying up the year, right? So your entry for AMD would be 97.45. We take profit of 98.42 and 98.87, right? And then maybe a push up and fill this gap at $100, All right, 128. Right, your weekly level is 103.94, and that profit target will be 106.76. But let's see if we fill this gap first. You know what I'm saying? This one might be a banger. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Yeah, I mean, what else we got? What else we got? Yeah, I want to give a shout out to I want to give a shout out to somebody. I want to give a shout out to this dude that do Uber live. A lot of drivers out there wanting $1. You know what I'm saying? He does live streams about Uber and things, right? And the dude is like, look at some helping everybody, like just basically make money. You know, I fuck with the dude. So his name is Uber. His name is Uber GAZ, right? He does live streams. If you do ride share, different things like that, the dude helps you basically help you make some money, like maximize Uber and Lyft and different things like that. Like he kind of got it like figured out. So shouts out to him. You know what I'm saying? He teaching you how to get the real money out of Uber and not get beat. You know what I'm saying? He does like 3-hour live streams on it. So if you're in a ride share, maybe use ride share to fill up your trading account, whatever you may do. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about the money. It seems like he is too. So big shouts out to him. He gave me a sub the other day. I subbed to him. He subbed to me. I don't know the guy, but guess what? You know what I mean? He's showing love and I'm showing it back. You know what I'm saying? I don't even do Lyft or Uber, but I ain't gonna lie. Like the way he be talking, maybe we want to hop in it. All right, so listen. So now we got Amazon right here, right? Got inside candle on the day. All right. Time frame continuity mostly green besides the month. So look at long entry will be 131.78 to 132.03 and then 132.24. For shorts, it will be 129.36 down to take out this weekly level at 129.36. Oh, you know, how's it both? What am I talking about? All right. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, 128.52. All right, so cool. We will come on down from, oh, here we go. Sorry about that. Yeah. So our entry will be 128.77, right? Down to this weekly level of 128.52. All right. And basically we'll come down and take out this level of 126.41 if we break this inside and take out the daily and the weekly. We'll come down and take out this level of 126.41. So I got a little confused there. All right, Chewy's another one. At the bottom of a broadening formation, been on a heavy downtrend. 212, basically a pivot machine gun up on the weekly, right? So as you can see, that's got to be 5 or more targets to be a pivot machine gun, FYI. All right, so we got a 322. That's what we're looking for. But your entry will be 18.29, right? And your take profit will be 150, 18.55, and then 19.21, and then 19.69. And we'll take out this weekly level at 20.15 and then 21.27. If we get that far, maybe in a week, maybe next week, somewhere close to that. But yeah, it's giving a good vibe on that. So we're going.
This is a certified hood classic.
Keep that on close watch. All right, so listen, now we have DIA, Diamonds, Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? We got this shooter right here, hammer candle right here, right? The entry for calls would be 340.07 for push up to 341.43 and then 343.65, right? All right, you see back at the bottom of a broadening formation here also, right? Look like we expanded and looking to push back through and, exhaust up in the top. So everything seems like it's wanting to turn around and push to the highs, right? It's up about 0.12% on the day. So that's what I'm looking for. The long position time frame continuity mostly is green. To get the month green, we would need 349.43. But Right there, if you're looking at it, that's enough time for continuity for a good day trade, right? That's how I like to do it. eBay 122 reversal, right? 122 rev, as you can see. So your entry will be 43.93 for calls. We'll push up to 44.84, right? And then we could take out this weekly level, which will make also this monthly to go green at 45.21. So keep an eye out to taking out that target to take out 45.54, right? And that is on eBay. Don't put that on close watch. What else? All right, this is one of FTI, right? Actually found this trade off a weekly, right? Got an inside candle on a weekly. Your weekly entry level would be 21.42 for a push up to 21.67, right? Full time frame continuity all the way to the year. So that's why I was on my watch. I got a bias of it pushing up for longs. Google and Google L both got the same setup. 2-2 reversal. That's what we're looking at, time frame continuity, mostly on the long side, green, besides the month, right? So your entry would be 132.22 for longs, right? For a push up to 133.01, and then 133.19 and 134.54, right? And then maybe even get some magnitude all the way up to 138.84, and then take out this weekly at 139.43. So this probably wouldn't be in a day, but it definitely could be, within this week. Google L, same thing basically, right? Screenshot those levels, not going over it. Play one, you playing the other. So you got this right here. INTC, right? Intel, 2-2 reversal, right to the upside. Time frame continuity is mostly green, right? 2-2 reversal on the daily and the weekly, right? So your entry will be 34.37 for your first PT of 34.84, and then 35.25, and then possibly take out 36.25 and maybe even 38.04. I don't know if it'll happen in a day, but yeah, it's possible. Next, JPM, big wick, big hammer candle right here for entry of one for longs. Time frame continuity is fully green, so we're looking at a long position at 146.52. We'll push up to 147.51 and 148.85, and then take out this weekly at 150.25. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I got this on top watch. This is a
certified hood classic.
So this is top watch right here, JPM. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you put that on your chart and keep a good eye on it tomorrow, because that looks like it might do something special. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Full time frame continuity, 2-2 rev, right? Not a shooting, not an actual actionable candle, but it looks pretty good with that time frame continuity. Outside month on this, right? As you can see. So got another month coming in. Keep that in mind. Same thing on the weekly, right? So your entry would be 66.90 for a push up to 67.43 and 68.22, and then take out this weekly level at 68.65. But it definitely looks pretty good. But listen, so that's one to keep on your list. And we'll see how that goes. But like I said, JPM is definitely my most honorable mention. If you're just getting in here, this is a
certified hood classic.
Looks real good. Full time frame continuity. So mark that for tomorrow. All right, Oxy. Oxy almost full time frame continuity besides the month, right? So looking at the bottom of broad information on the weekly, right? All right, a 1-2-2 reversal to the upside. So your entry for calls will be 60. Let me see something. I think somebody commented. Yeah. Yes, I do teach the STRAT. Most of my videos will show you that I teach the strat, some strat combos. I got a strat course that I built, basically put everything I know in it and like dynamically add stuff on a regular basis to this course. So you will constantly get updates on different things that I even add to the course. The course is $32. You can get it on Gumroad. If you hit my link in the about section, it's all there. If you need a one-on-one, it's $60 that hour. But what I tell people is buy the course, run through the course, learn everything you can from the course, then do a one-on-one with me, and I can help you with the small stuff so you're not just wasting money out here. We're doing one-on-ones, and I'm getting you set up from the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my link tree into the chat real fast. All right, so you go right here. I use the Strat. I use the Strat Teach. I use the Strat Teach V2. I got a video. I think I got a video of all the indicators. But yeah, I use the Strat Teach V2, which will be. Where is my indicators at? All right, so here we go. I'll find it right here. All right, so I use the Strat Teach V2, which is just right here. So that is the indicator that I use for the strat, and that's basically all I use for real. And that includes these strat numbers and this time frame continuity chart and all of that. So that's really like all you really need for real. I'm going to pin the link tree. The link tree got links to everything. Also inside the course, I literally got all the indicators that I use and that I know for the strat in there. Every brokerage, everything that you need to get started doing the strat. All right, cool. Any more questions, let me know. Hit me up in the DMs on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. Leave a comment, whatever you got to do. But yeah. All right, so listen, Oxy, a 122 reversal, right to the upside. Like I said, your entry is 63.34 and your first PT is 63.58. And, the monthly will go green over 63, 66, and then 64.59 is your PT. I was looking to learn the strat and use the auto stratic. Oh yeah, the auto stratic. The auto strat. Listen, let me tell you something. If you're looking to learn the strat, I want you to learn the strat first. Because what the auto stratic does, if you look at my videos on it, it basically just helps you run through your watch list quickly, right? Like when I scroll through my watch list, I know what type of actionable signals I'm looking for and the setups I'm looking for. What the auto stratic is going to do is going to just cut that time in half because you're going to be able to see what has a setup and what not. But the good thing is it's good to use, but you want to help train your eyes, but you also want to make sure you're learning how to do that on your own. And then the auto stratic just kind of just lets you run through your watch list real quick. You feel what I'm saying? I actually can't wait till he fully release it because I will be using it. The auto stratic is definitely a good indicator. Like I said, I did a review on it. You can check out those videos I did. I did a 3-part video on the auto stratic, but it definitely like help you run through your watch list and find setups real quick. It ain't trading for you or nothing like that. It's just helping you identify stuff real quick. So that's the whole reason he made it. So you can kind of run through your watch list really quick. Cause like me personally, like in my watch list, I keep, over 100 stocks. So like running through them, I can run through the daily, boom, I see an actionable signal. I run through this one, see an actionable signal. So it just help you with that. So, it's a really good indicator and kind of what he's doing. Just like this little daily watch list I made right here, like these are all the stocks I ran through, today to be able to find them to put out there on this little watch list video, right? So, like I said on Oxy, that's the setup on Oxy. I got a bias more to the upside on Oxy. Like I said, 63.34, and then the first PT is 63.54. Like I said, a month will go green, which give a full time frame continuity to the upside, 63.66, and then we would take out 64.59. So. Yeah. Like I said, we're at the bottom of a broad information. We're looking at the reverse 122 reversal. So as you can see there, Palatal, another 122 reversal, right? Looking at to the upside. And you break down how to jump broad information and how to get a better entry and exit on the smaller time frames. Yeah, I actually got video on broadening formations, but I'll run over it for you since I ain't got broadening formations right here. All right, broadening formations ain't nothing but a high to a higher high and a low to a lower low. Don't overcomplicate it, right? So, like, you know me, you go to a daily, you say, look, this is a low and this is a low, right? So that's the broadening formation. Me personally, I label them like this, boom, and then I'm going to say, all right, this is a high and this is a high, right? Boom, there's your broadening formation. You go down to a lower time frame and look, it then bounced and it respected it. Came down, pushed up, came down, respected here, rejected, came back down, bounced around, and now we're at the bottom of it. Like it's really pretty easily. So what I do is now when you come to entries, right? So when it comes to entries, all right, so I done found like, this is my daily entry, right? What I would do is me personally, I come down to the 15, right? It's a 3-1. So the market might open. This might go 3-1, 3-2, right? Once it breaks this entry, that's what once it breaks this entry, I'm entering. Like, you know what I'm saying, on a lower time frame, right? I'm just using a lower time frame just to see the movement because if I'm up on a daily and staying on a daily, I won't really be able to see the aggregation of the candles too much, but I'll see the price movement. So I come down to like a 15, right? See what's setting up on here once we break. Let's say we go 3-2. I'm gonna look for that 3-2 to go boom, right? Let's change the color. There we go. Boom. That goes 3-2. I'm entering and I'm riding this thing through. That's it. That's all I do, right? Because I know these are my higher time frames that I've set my targets on, so I don't got to worry about, is it a strong break? I know once it breaks this level, it is lit, right? Like if I find one on a 4 hour, like this is a 4 hour inside, so I can mark the high and the low of this, and then when tomorrow if this breaks, I could go and say, okay, the 4 hour triggered the daily, and the daily's gonna take me to this PT. If that makes any sense, I hope it do. But yeah, right. Let me see. Let me go back to JPM. Right. All right. So like this right here. Yeah, we got actionable signal. This is all I'm looking for tomorrow. Right. I'm just looking for this to break my entry. Right. Break my entry and push on up to this PT. That's it. You can draw a broadening formation on any time frame, right? Any time frame. Personally, I don't like to clog my charts up with a whole bunch of them. Like I'm gonna come to like a daily, and I'm gonna say, all right, well here we go. Got low to a lower low, right? And we got a high to a higher high, right? That's it, right? As long as it's broadening out, and then you can come down to the hour. So do you draw targets and entries on a daily time frame? Yeah, I do. I draw everything on. I mean, I'll try. I'll try to use. Just came off a weekend, like right. We got a new candle, which was today, right? That's your new weekly candle, right? So, like if it's Sunday night, I'm gonna be drawing entries on this weekly candle right here, right? But mostly, yeah, I draw them all on the daily. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm looking for higher time frame setups, because they just more probably they just got more higher probability. The higher the time frame, the stronger normally the magnitude. So, I like this setup right here, right? Bottom of a broadening formation, 2-2 reversal, right? Actionable signal, all right? Base of your hammer, and boom, I'm just looking for this to push up to here. So that's what I'm looking to get to in a day, right? I'm looking to get to 147.57. Now, what you can do is you can go down to like your hour, right? And find scalp levels, right? So you could say, you can go down to your hour and be like, all right, well, I'm going to take some profit here, and I'm going to take some profit here, right? And here, and then maybe say my last piece there. I mean, it depends on how you feel. Me personally, I can kind of normally hold through most of my trades, right? Because I'm just gonna constantly just move my stop. Because once I get close to, like, I'm still looking at these higher time frames. So once I get close to these PTs, my stops are getting moved anyway. Like if I enter here and we break over here, I'm putting my stop at break even. Then when we get to here, I may go 50% of that candle. Then if we go here, I'm gonna bump it up a little more until we get all the way up to this PT. Then if we break through this PT, I'm gonna put my stop right here at this PT and see if we can continue on up. But at the same time, I'm taking some profit off. So, you can find lower time frame targets, right? And you may use, do I swing trade options? Sometimes I do. It all depends. Like if I enter this trade, right? Let's just say I enter this trade on the daily, right? And we take out all these targets on the day and we end up breaking this weekly. And I'm already in this position. And like tomorrow's a Tuesday and we break through a weekly. Yeah, I probably will hold that trade till the next day because I'm anticipating that we're going to continue to push up and probably take this target out. If we take out this weekly and it holds this weekly level and pushes up, push up. Most of the time I day trade, and some days that it depends on what levels I break. Because if I get to breaking a weekly or a monthly level, then most likely I'm going to swing that position because I'm looking to get some continuation the next day, which comes important into ATR and DTR, right? Because, all right, so this is over about 14 days. It's a $2.27 DTR. So if I know in a day, if we push up $2 and $2 and we break this weekly level, I know we probably had exhaustion risk and ain't got too much more to push up. So I may just, swing the position and then, the next day we most likely continue, right? But I know that the ATR on that daily is about $2. So I know it's going to be hard for us to push and take out this target in the same day after we already pushed $2 plus, if that makes sense. If it don't, continue asking questions. That's why I'm here. While we were there, all right, so I was on Oxy and then I went to Peloton. Gotcha. What brokerage do you use as hard? You want to get off of Robinhood. You can look in my about section. You can either use Webull just for a brokerage. Definitely use Thinkorswim. Definitely use TradingView for your charts. You can use Webull for your brokerage, or you can use Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers. Right now, I'm gonna say Webull because commission is free. But at the same time, you're going to have to deal with fills, right? Fills are going to be kind of rough. With Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers, smooth fills. So very smooth fills. You need like super smooth fills. Like it's great. So that's kind of like the gift and the curse, but like, like the wobbler kind of thing. It's kind of like you accept the bad fills on Webull, but it's free. But at the same time, you can deal with the commission. So it also depends on how many contracts you buy. Because I ain't gonna lie to you, if you buying 50, 100 contracts and you're using Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers, that's 50 cents to $1 per contract. So that's a link to Interactive Brokers. And then I'll give you a link to Webull. You know what I'm saying? Use those and sign up. Help me out. I don't charge for these streams, so at least you can, go ahead and, if you're day trading and don't have a cash account, use a cash account. That's the thing about my course. Like if you buy my course, it's $32. I put all this information in there. Links to brokerages, how to set up your accounts, what type of account to get, everything. But if you got under $25, use a cash account. And if you're trading options, your money settles back the next day, so you ain't got to worry about it. And from what I understand, I think May of 2024, equity will follow up the next day too. How far do I pick my expiration? Depending on the time frame. If I find something on a weekly and I'm going to swing it out more like 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, obviously a monthly, maybe a month or two. Daily, I normally do weeklies. Weeklies are 2 weeks. But sometimes I'm doing 0 DTE, depending on what I'm trading, like SPY and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But that just comes with experience. You know what I'm saying? 0 days comes with experience. Personally, zero days can be fun, but they can spank you too. So take your time. You know, take your time dealing with that. If you can get afford to buy time, uh, then yeah, buy some time. But I'm also gonna give you a link to Webull. I mean, these are free. All these brokerages are free. So if you're gonna decide to sign up, just sign up. Yeah, they can wreck your account. If you don't know what you're doing, they can definitely wreck your account. Personally, but kind of once you get to a point where you really know how to trade well, it's like you can. Because I mean, I trade 0 days. Like if I trade SPY anything like that, most of the time I'm trading 0 days. Um, in weeklies, you know what I mean. But I like to be kind of risky, but you know, I kind of at the point. But I also don't go too far. Strike price. Most successful strategists always say buy time. I mean, yeah, that's true. But also, I know a bunch of successful strategists that buy 0 days and weeklies. So, I mean, it all depends on what you're doing and what type of trading you do. You know what I'm saying? Like mostly I day trade, so I don't really have to worry about a lot of the other issues because I'm 90% of the time I'm not trying to swing anything anyway. Right. So that's just me personally. You know what I'm saying? Well, I already had basic understanding of the market because I used to trade technical analysis and supply and demand. So it really took me like a short time to learn the strat. It probably took me like a month to learn it. And then I back tested it for like 2 months before I actually took a live trade with it just because I wanted to see. So what I did was I got on Thinkorswim's on demand feature and I just kind of like back tested it. And then I took it slow and took 1 or 2 trades here and there. Yeah, but no, hey, Sean Carter, no, you're not wrong about buying time. Like I'll tell anybody, buy time on contracts. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. I ain't I ain't arguing with you there. But yeah. But I like to be a little risky, especially when it comes to SPY. But yeah, no, it took me a short amount of time. I just wanted to back test it and make sure like it was something that fit me. And I ain't gonna lie to you, the strat is probably the most profitable I've ever been um trading. I know technical analysis really well, and I know supply and demand really well. Don't really know ICT too well, but yeah, ICT I ain't really like dug into that with the fair value gaps and all of that. But with the strat, I mean it's like all inclusive. You get your stop loss, you get your profit target, the whole nine. So it's like, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Listen, one thing about trading, Sean, is everybody got their own style of everything. You feel me? So it ain't no one way. So I'm not wrong and you not wrong. So that's a fact. Have you used indicator for your interest? No, the range rush reversal. No, I haven't tried it. I haven't tried it yet. I think I signed up to get it, and it's not on there. Like I don't think he fully released it yet. But I do want to try it out. Personally, I don't like a whole bunch of indicators. Like that ain't really my thing. Hey, thanks for the stream. God bless. We have a new starter. Can you? Hey, thanks for the stream. God bless. We are new starters. Can you concentrate on one ticker? Are you asking if you're new to trading the strat? Can I concentrate on one ticker? I don't mean what you mean. Um, Me personally, I trade the chart. And what that is, I got a pretty big watch list that I go through, and I'm just looking for the extract combos that I like. Um, some people will tell you like, maybe trade 2 to 3, find 2 to 3 tickets and learn the personalities of them. Um, I think once you get comfortable with what you're doing and how you trade, you basically can trade any ticket at any time. It is good to learn the personalities of most of the mega cap and big caps. I do know the personality of, so I can just hop into them. Some of the, like the little smaller brand tickers and kind of like penny stock. that's got options and things like that, they are a little more risky and a little more something that you got to understand. But once you learn to kind of read the chart, you kind of can see what type of personality the chart got when you scroll back. So, um, yeah, I think if that's what you're asking, should you concentrate on one ticker starting out? It's kind of personal choice. I mean, I was trading, so that's personal choice. RBLX is one. Yo, RBLX used to be dope. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's on my watch list right here too. Sean. Yeah, it's on my watch list too. Um, I actually like it. I like this 1-3 Holy Grail setup. Should we start with mastering the strat combos? Yeah, listen, what you should do with the strat is you should get the strat combo sheets. And if you hit my link tree, I got all the strat combo sheets on Gumroad for free. So all you gotta do is click on them and grab them, like all the strat combo sheets, the ones with threes on it and everything. You should learn all the strat combos. Which one? The strat combo, the inside candles, the ones. Listen. That's probably the easiest strategy of the strat you can learn is inside candles. Um, and the reason being is because you ain't gotta have a bias or nothing because it's either gonna break to the upside or the downside, right? And all the strat combos, it's a few strat combos that include ones in it, right? So you got so if you think about it, you got the rev strat, which is a 1-2-2, right? You got the 1-2-2 continuation and the 1-2-2 reversal, right? You got the 3-1-2, right? Bullish and bearish. You got the 3-1-2-1-2, bullish and bearish, right? Reversal and continuation. So, it's so many strat combos that use the one, but the inside candle is the easiest, right? It's just the easiest to look. Like looking at the chart right here, right? You got a 2, and you got a 1, and then you got a 2. Like when you look at, you know what I mean? You like this one 2-1-3, but the inside candles is like the easiest to trade and deal with, like the easiest one to find, right? Let me see if I can find an inside candle in any of these. All right, here you go. On 2-1-2. Boom. It broke to the down. It broke this level right here, broke to the downside and came down. Right. Here you go, right here. Another inside candle. Right. You marked your high and your low, right? Like this. Look, you would took entry if it broke over here, and boom. Look at the magnitude that it got. And it took out all these targets going up, even to here. Right. So that's why I like inside candles. Look. And then if it had came down, it would have took out this target. So the inside candle is any inside candle setup combo is the easiest to learn. The 1-2-2, the 1-2-2 is a little harder, but the 2-1-2 and the 3-1-2 is like kind of like all you really need. Like you can literally trade inside candle setup every day without even learning the rest of the strat combo. That's why I tell people like, listen, just learn the inside candle combo. I mean, look, here's one right here in front of your face. A 2 inside candle, and it broke, but it didn't fully break, right? So now it's gonna look like it's gonna go to a 1-2-2 rev strat reversal, right? So that's actually what I'm looking for on Oxy. So yeah, just learn the inside candle. That's the easiest strat combo for you to learn. The 2-1-2, the 3-1-2, and then you can learn the 1-2-2, and then go from there. And then you can go for like the 2-2 reversal rev strat. Come on, keep the questions coming. Keep the questions coming. Trying to learn everybody to strat.
This is a certified hood classic.
I'm loving that. Now keep the questions coming. What else y'all got? I'm saying I'm here to help. Ask me anything. Football just went off. I ain't focused on that. Let me see. XOM. Let me see. Yep, that one side dealing. Here, let me clear this job. Boom, where you go? All right, so I'm dealing. Boom. That would actually be your first PT, but it's pretty close. All right, so your first PT would be this inside candle here, right? But it's so close that you can actually take entry on the second one. How do you keep up with all the tickers on the watch list? I'm gonna show you in 1 second. I'm just ready to chart out this what's the name real quick. XOM. And we just add it to the chart. You add it to the watch list. Appreciate it. All right. So and then we'll go there. All right, so that's what I do. All right, so to see, these are all 15-minute charts. So what I do is I load first. So what I do is I come here and I'll just load them, right? So be like QQQ here, Palatal here, Oxy here. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll go to the next chart. Same thing, right? You know what I mean? And I'll just load. Well, for some reason my chart got all screwy, but I'll just load them, all into here like this. I normally keep this on SPY. It's on the VIX. I don't know what happened today, but I think my charts got reset. QQQ. Yeah, so and then I set my alerts. So then I go here and it'd be like KHC and AMD and then Amazon here. Yeah. I just load them all to these charts, right? I'm actually gonna do and then we want to put that there, and then I would go here. Same thing, right? So I just be having a bunch of charts with all the positions that I'm looking at. And then I normally set my alerts, and so I'll know. So I ain't really got sit here and stalk the charts the whole time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how I do it. Right. And see if you notice, see how my green lines are for my entries. So now I can see from right here, right? I can see my time frame continuity. I know what's going on. And then my entries, right? So once this breaks over, I know to enter because I have a second chart, right, where I got all my higher time frames. So when I click any one of these, my higher time frames show on my second screen. So that is how I keep up with all those tickers. And then I just use this chart right here for when I'm charting. So, but we're gonna add XOM to this watch list. So, don't forget to join my Telegram too. I'll be sending out alerts in my Telegram. And I think I sent out 100% trade today. 100% trade on 100% trade on CCL. CCJ. All right. I sent out 100% trade on CCJ today. It was lit too. So join the Telegram if you're already in there. Ready to throw it in the chat. All right. If you want to join the Telegram, give out free trades. I send charts in there. I send this whole watch list that I sent. I'm gonna send that in the Telegram. Once I'm done, I'm gonna send this whole watch list in Telegram so people can have that. Hopefully, they learn something so they could go in there and put their own levels on there. And then I was in the Wealth Squad. I'm gonna tell you what happened with me in the Wealth Squad. Nothing bad, right? I was in the Wealth Squad for 2 years. I was paying $25, and how your card expired. So I didn't even know. So since Kristen raised the price up to $75, it's at first, if your card didn't go through or something like that, it would give you an email. You just change it and everything was good, right? You either could stay in the Wealth Squad for a couple of days, even if your card didn't go through. Now it kick you straight out the Wealth Squad, soon as you don't pay. And then it was when it was time for me, I'm all right, well, I'm just going to get back in. It's oh no, it's $75 now. I'm I'm not paying $75. I've been paying $25 for 2 years. So soon as I did, my card didn't go through because I need to update my card, it literally kicked me out. No warning, no nothing. Yeah, I've been a member since 2021. I got in the Wealth Squad 2021, $25, dog. And then so I sent them emails and all of that. Listen, I've been in since 2021. You know what I'm saying? I'm paying $25. You know, they're like, oh, your card ain't go through. You automatically kicked out. And then you got to pay $75. I'm like, forget all that. I don't. I mean, at the end of the day, like when it comes to me in discourse, it's like I'm in them just to talk, but I don't really take. I don't take alerts. Like I'll give some alerts, but I don't like take alerts. I'd rather teach people how to trade than really worry about alerts. Damn, it's a cold world. Y'all, it's funny. Nah, I ain't worried about it. It ain't a big deal to me. Like I'll be on Kai's stream. I mean, Kid's stream. When he on Twitch. I mean, I just like to being able to socialize. I don't need nobody alerts. Would you take a put entry and exit? How would you put entry and exit on Nvidia? I don't really trade Nvidia, but I always look at it for you. I mean, Nvidia ain't really got a setup that. I mean, it's got a 3 inside on the weekly. Yeah, see, Nvidia ain't really got nothing. I'm really trying to trade right now. With the monthly, that's a monthly goal. Yeah, I ain't an Nvidia trader, but I mean, you could trade this 3 and maybe look forward to go. You can look forward to go 2-3 tomorrow, right? But the problem is you got to worry about this inside candle that's on this weekly, right? So you're gonna need this to break here to even be able to really get some movement, right? And so, and then you got time frame continuity, everything but the month and what's the name. So, I mean, yeah, you could or probably wait till next week, but yeah, I ain't really touching that video. I don't like to scout. I like to get in the trade and day trade. I mean, you probably could get some scouts off of here. You know what I'm saying? Because if this 3-2 breaks over, you know, but you probably gonna get some chopping around because you got this inside candle on the weekly right here. So, yeah, ain't really nothing I'm looking to indulge in. And then if we fall, we probably could fall down. Down. I come down and take out that level right there. That's what you're gonna do puts. But there you go. I mean, we decided to want to trade Nvidia, and then since it's a 3, you look to see if this daily opens up here. Daily down. But there you go. I mean, those would be your levels if you decide to trade it. I mean, that inside weekly is it's gonna need to choose a direction for me on Nvidia. Then but there you go. There are your levels right there. You can screenshot it. So your entry level on the daily would be 415.91 to the downside. You take out the weekly at 415, 409.80, and then you would come down to 403.11. And then for the long side, you would want to take entry at 425.36 for push up to 439.03. Obviously, it's got a almost $16 DTR on the daily. And then you'll take out this weekly, which will make that inside candle on the weekly, choose a direction to the upside at 442.42. And then you will come and take out this high here of 455. So there you go. You know what I mean? Me personally, I don't trade Nvidia, and it ain't going on my watch list. I was ready to give y'all something. Oh yeah. All right, yeah. Yeah. Join your Telegram though. Come holler at me. Let me see. I can tell if y'all can join because yeah. I still had to say 19 people. I'm put it back in the chat for y'all again. Okay. Boom, there you go. Join the Telegram, get free alerts, things like that. What else can I give y'all? Y'all can get in touch with me. If you need the course, here you go. You can also rent the course too. It's like $10. So yeah, if you can run through it in like a day. You get 3 days to run through it. So yeah. Oh, there you go. And that's the course. So yeah, appreciate it. All right, what else are we looking at? All right, look, XPX. Same thing. 2-2 reversal, your entry, right? 4,338.51 will be your entry to the upside of 4,357.40, and then 4,375.70, and then 44.0138 will fill the gap here. We'll take out the weekly up here at 4,466.36. All right, brother, I appreciate it. Yeah, join the Telegram. Come holler at me, Sean. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions, yo, hit me up on any of the on the link tree, the DMs, whatever, Instagram, all of that's in there. You know what I'm saying? You got some questions, holler at me. Hit me on Telegram too. All right, back Jordan Thomas, I appreciate it. Like I said, it's all free. I ain't asking for no money from nobody or nothing. So, you know what I mean, why not take some free alerts and scroll through there. Scroll through the Telegram. You'll see like I done knocked out some 200% trades in there for the free ski. So, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we got XOM that what's the name popped up with. So this is the watch list. I'm about to send this watch list in the Telegram as we speak. It is sent in the Telegram right now. So the watch list is in the Telegram right now. I'm gonna send some of these charts through probably in a few. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. We got XOM on there. You know what I mean? Honorable mention. What else would we supposed to look at? But look, I'm trying to tell you, JPM is on my top watch for tomorrow. Full time frame continuity, top watch. So, all right, bet. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, I be in there too. I'm in there every morning. I just don't really say much. I just be listening to him. I like to listen to Charlie since he got it, and I don't want to pay $200 a month for it. But yeah, I'll probably pop in there in the morning tomorrow if he goes live. So, bet. What's your Twitch tag on it? Is that what you go by, Sean, on it? Oh, let me put the top of this broad information on here. So we go there. Boom. Oh, there we go. So that's what I'm looking for. All right. Anybody got any more questions? If not, get out of here. I sent the watch list through. Another banger stream. Yeah, I got a soundboard now. How y'all like
This
that?
is a certified hood classic.
All right, bet I got you. Hove Mr. HD. Don't talk what I do. Listen, all right, bet. Yeah, me too. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to suck up that game from Kid, though, for real. Dude is like that. I strive to be as good of an options trader as him one day. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. Y'all like my sound? Take a look. No, JPM is like take a look at JPM. Yo, JPM is top watch for me tomorrow. Like all straight up. Yo, look, now, check this out though. Look at CCJ. CCJ, listen, this is how CCJ went ham today. You need a Telegram, so I gotta show you. Listen, this continued from Friday. Like, look at this. All right, so this is Friday or Thursday. Boom, we're ham, right? And continue. This is the perfect 3-1-2 reversal. Oh my God. Full time frame continuity. When I see this right here, yeah, I'm loading the boat. As Michael Crow say, I'm loading the boat when I see that. You know what I'm saying? I'm loading a boat. As Sal says, going to Zamunda. When I see that full time frame continuity, I'm loading a boat. And that's what I did today on that. It was a quick 100% trade. Yeah, JPM definitely fully loaded on the list. Yeah, loading a boat. You hear me?
This is a certified hood classic.
Yeah, we got the stream sounding like a dance hall video, dance hall party. You know what I'm saying? Soca party. But all right, yo, I'm ready to get about this thing. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. Go rewatch the stream. Please like and subscribe. Shit, donate to the channel, the Venmo, the Cash App, all that's in there. I don't care if it's $1. You know what I'm saying? Keep me going. Keep me on these streaming things. This shit costs money. All this shit I'm doing costs money. It's so crazy. To stream on YouTube, it costs money. But yeah, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I ain't grifting. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, listen, I'm about to get up out of here. You know what I mean? Gave y'all a watch list, some free bangers that should take off tomorrow. If you in the Telegram, the watch list has been sent through. And if I take entry on anything, I will be sending it in the Telegram. So y'all know my entry and exit when I decide to take it. You know what I mean? We either win together or we lose together. I like to win more than I lose. So yeah. You sound like a Sean Paul and Foxy Brown special. Yeah, we got it sounding like a dance hall spot in here. You know what I'm saying? We got it sound like, yeah, man. Wagwan. Yeah, so we doing it over here. Nah, I need to load some more sounds into the soundboard though. I need to load some more sounds in here, but I'm just trying this new. I normally use StreamYards, but I'm just trying this new company or whatever this is. You know what I'm saying, before I upgrade to the full version. So yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm ready to get up out of here. Like, I don't know, I might pop back on tomorrow. I might live stream during the market. One or two. I'll let you know. Look, just turn your notifications on, subscribe to the channel. Please like and subscribe. And then if you see me go live, I'm on here live. Sometimes I like to do go live during the middle of market hours. So, but normally I'm listening to somebody else chit chat. But it's all good. I appreciate y'all pulling up. Super cat. You know what I'm saying? Hit the link tree. You know what I mean? It's got all my information there in the link tree. You know what I'm saying? Throw that in the chat one more time. Everything you need. I got links to TradingView. I got links to indicators. I got links to the STRAT cheat sheet and all of that. So that is in there. The STRAT cheat sheet, all of that is in there. Please like and subscribe. Rewatch this video if you want to run through of the watch list. And I gave a little quick lesson on broad information and how I find my entries and exits. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all. We out one more time for the one time.
This is a certified hood classic.
I'm out.